Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can import custom fonts onto Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now this is a fairly simple process to do. Squarespace has made it quite easy with built-in methods. So I'll show you immediately how that is done. Now from your menu here at the top left, under website, we're going to go ahead and click on pages first. Once you've done that, scroll down and you should see a tab called website tools. You want to click on that. And here, as you can see, you have custom CSS and code injection. And if I click custom CSS, you'll see custom files over here at the top. Click on that and you can add images or fonts. So just click a plus and it'll open up a new search window. And once it opens up your file explorer, you need to locate the file of your font that you want to upload and upload it to the site. Now, once you upload it, it isn't job done yet. You're going to add this code right over here. Now, I'm sorry that I can't show you guys. I forgot where I got it from, but the code is this, which you can see on my screen right now. You can just retype it very easily. It doesn't matter that much. But for the font family, you're going to enter the title you want for your font. And for the source under URL, since the file is added to the site already, you don't need to add a full URL. You just need to add the file name. So whatever the file name extension is, and let's say the file name is test font, we're going to add test font dot, I don't know, I'll just add txt. But it shouldn't be a txt file, but you get my point very easily. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Once you do that, you're done and you have a new font uploaded. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.